Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Italian pronunciation this word that actually means or translates from Italian into male, like a male animal, for example. How do you go about pronouncing it? In Italian, this is normally pronounced as Macchio. Macchio, you do want to stress on the first syllable. This is also a fairly common surname in Italian or of Italian origin. However, some people outside of Italy do pronounce this name as Macchio, just like the famous American actor Ralph Macchio, for example. But in Italian, this is normally pronounced as Macchio. Here are more videos on how to pronounce Italian words, delicious, classic, traditional Italian recipes, for example, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.